Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Backpacktrader crude oil inventory report session for Wednesday, June 14th. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right, we're done with that for today. So there is a new long setup on unleaded. Preferably we'll get new setups after the report in a little less than 2 minutes. There is a new short on the 377 tick and minimum 10 ticks to target 2. And the unleaded trade canceled. Good morning again, Miles. Please do say hello in the chat. For those of you that, whoa, there was the report. There is our initial there is a new trade. Well, wait, we've got another minute to go before we start trading. Good morning, Arizona Bob. Those of you who were with me in the earlier morning session, the pound Aussie did push down to its target 1 and is now at break even. So it will be a POQ trade. Another 20 seconds. That actually is a valid trade to the short side on the Spotlight crude chart, and then just hit money management, so that's off the table. Unleaded in a long trade, I suppose that one is an unleaded bouncing up, and now we have a long in our session. I think I would push that up. You got the the spike to 69 and the 50 EMA, and now you have a new short that did trigger in. So long comes off, and I didn't get into the short. We just did trigger into it. So there is our trade. Just missing money management. And a stop and reverse at 59, actually 61. Then hit. Do we go to 63? I would say yes. And there's our stop and reverse. But right now we're still short. Long triggered, but didn't get to our adjusted entry. Got up to 60, so didn't even get to the actual stop and reverse at 61. And I adjusted a couple of ticks around the 50 to 63. Too much going on the spotlight to follow what's going on in the other two charts, but plenty of time to get an order in. So break even for target 2 traders. Target 1 traders are POQ on unleaded. Nothing else on that yet. We didn't get to target 2. Cancel the short. We hit, or rather cancel the long, stop and reverse to long. We hit a new short trade that will take us out of that. And the stop for the new trade is 61. I'll leave my stop at 63 since we did trigger the original stop and we just went through another stop and reverse too fast. I'll leave my original stop on that. Yep, got stopped out of that. Not in this long trade. That one just went through too fast to catch. Unleaded with another long. Now let's see, did that get in too fast? 4 seconds, 10 seconds up to there, but 4 seconds to there, and didn't come back to the entry, so that one was too fast for unleaded. So still need another trade for target 2 traders. And there's a long trade on the 377 at 69.87. That triggers in. $377 tick, not. See what we had here. Okay, 377 tick initially got the long, stopped and reversed to short for a target 2 win and roughly a target 1 trailer. Was that enough? So we go 61 to 49. 12 ticks, 24 tick loss. Then we go, that was it's a 4 tick adjustment. Target 2 is 15. So we're down 9. $69.53. Yeah, so $69.49 to $69.41. We got 8. We're down 1. And so now we have that long trade that you got to stop and reverse but didn't trigger. Money management, there's our target at 59. And finally getting target, that gets us positive. So 377 is positive without getting into this. Unleaded looking for another trade for target 2 traders. Some messy price action. Okay, pound on, or unleaded stopped out of that trade. We're looking for a new trade. Most likely trade to get around here is going to be a trade off the 20 SMA. On unleaded. Spotlight actually has a pot. If we get one more down bar, we got a fair chance of getting a. Now the trade off of 200 EMA is not part of the trade plan, so wouldn't deal with that. Now there's a possibility of a trade off the 20 SMA on unleaded if we start back up. All right, out of the Spotlight crude trade as well. It was too fast to catch. So now we'll see if we can get another. There's a short trade. This is one of those hold your nose short trades, as it very well could be a it's at 84. We've got a swing low at 83, but we did trigger in. There's money management. Target 2, and there it is. So target 2 was worth 15. So we were down 38, we're down 23 now. Target 3 is worth 20. So we would be within 3 ticks. And there is target 3. So within 3 ticks now of break even. And had we marketed out rather than hold our stop and reverse stop, we might be positive. We could have probably gotten out probably five pips or so, so we should be around 8 or 9 pips positive, or 8 or 9 ticks positive on this. That was a mistake on my part, not actually marketing out when it popped back through that second stop and reverse long. And we should be positive. Unleaded, getting in, going target 2. So that will get target 2 traders positive, and a big trailer on this one. Still trailing at 55.01. And stopping out at 482. So 482 to the entry at 639. 152 ticks. $600 on the trailer alone. So getting almost $650 out of the trailer. Target 2 was worth 44 ticks. $176 plus a little bit. That's about $200. So about an $850 trade on unleaded. for being patient. So that is where we should hit. All three charts should be done. This short should have gotten you to positive if you had properly marketed out as this popped through a stop and reverse. Didn't get into the reversing trade, but you should have marketed out as soon as you recognized it, rather than waiting for it to come on up another 5 ticks or so, 5 or 6 ticks. So that would get us positive, and by somewhere between 8 and 10 ticks positive. $100, not a huge day, but positive nonetheless. Questions or comments? That will wrap it up, unless anybody has anything they want to discuss. Yes, Trader Man. Oh, it trails the 10 EMA, I believe, but it uses the 22 EMA for filtering trades. So it has to get the entry on the opposite, on the proper side of the 22 EMA to get a trade. But I'm pretty sure it trails the 10 EMA by 6 ticks. Both. The 10 EMA is the trailer, the 22 is the filter. So I believe, if you remember on my chart, there's like a lavender EMA. That's the 10 that it trails, and then I think I have the 22 in cyan, which is the filter EMA. That trade plan should be on the owner's site. It's the evening plan, but it was a good example plan, starting at 8:30 as well. So all the settings for that should be on the owner site. All right, any other questions? Trailing stop on the pound Aussie now down to 85.91 with a 3.5 pip spread adjustment up to 94.5. But we did get target one, and we've got a little bit even after spread on the trailer. I'm looking at my trading chart for that one. All right then, that will wrap it for the crude inventory session. Reminder, next week's session is going to be on Thursday at 11 a.m. since we have a Monday holiday. Next week's crude oil inventory report will be 11 a.m. Thursday. Otherwise, regular 9:30 sessions Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we will see you tomorrow at 9:30. Everybody have a good one.